Om Shanti. Good morning. Today, 6th July, we'll listen to Bab Dada's Mahavakya. This Murli is of revised course, 5th December 94. Title of the Murli: The need of the present time is to create an atmosphere of the attitude of unlimited disinterest. Today, Baba, the ocean of love, is seeing his spiritual children who are merged in love. This godly love is not attained by anyone except you children. All of you have this special attainment. All children have attainment, but the first stage is to simply have the attainment, and the second stage is to be absorbed in the experience of the attainment. The first aspect is of attainment. All of you say with intoxication that you have received Baba's love. You have found Baba, that is, you have received love. The sound that emerges from everyone's lips is my Baba. Everyone has this first stage of attainment, but it is number-wise in constantly being lost in that experience. Those who remain absorbed in godly love cannot be separated from his love. The sparkle, intoxication, and rays of experience of souls who are absorbed in godly love are so powerful that let alone something coming close to them, it doesn't even have the courage to look at them even from a distance. If you constantly have this experience, then you would not have to make any type of effort, nor would you have to battle. At present, you sit in yoga, but because of not being absorbed in that experience, sometimes there is yoga and sometimes there is a battle. I belong to the Father. You have to bring this into your awareness again and again. But it is because you have forgotten it that you have to bring it into your awareness again and again. So the battle between yes and no, or between remembering and forgetting, does not allow you to experience the stage of being absorbed in love. So at the present time, children have to battle and make effort. There are a lot of battles between the wasteful and the powerful. In some children, their nature has become natural to see the sanskars of waste. Some have developed such a natural nature of listening to or speaking or thinking wasteful things that they do not even realize that what they are doing. Even if someone gives them a signal, because they have the sense of Maya, they consider themselves to be very sensible. Either they have the sense of Maya or they develop carelessness. This happens all the time. This continues all the time. The sense of Maya makes them consider themselves to be right, even when they are wrong. So it may be the sense of Maya, but they would think that there is no one else who is as knowledgeable as yogi or as much of a server as themselves. Why? Question. At the time, the shadow of Maya influences their mind and intellect in such a way that they are not able to decide anything accurately. The sense of being Mayavi's yogis, which is yogis under the influence of Maya, and Mayavi Gyani, having knowledge influenced by Maya, makes them move away from godly sense. In fact, even the understanding, cleverness of Maya is no less. Those who have yoga with Maya are also unshakable and constant yogis. Therefore, they are not able to understand the difference. All of you know the intoxication of the words spoken at that time, do you not? It is such great intoxication. This is why Bab Dada constantly tells the children to be merged into the experiences of attainment. To merge in the ocean means to be the unlimited embodiment of all attainments, the same as the ocean, and then to come into action. Bab Dada checked the chart of the children in all four directions. In how much time is Baba able to do this? How long would he take? What did Baba see? According to the closeness of time, it is essential to have an atmosphere of the practical attitude of unlimited disinterest. You speak of unlimited disinterest. You extract many points. You also have good classes and give good lectures. All of you have these points. How many points do you have? Are you able to conduct a class on this for 7 days? The majority of you have passed in speaking and thinking of the points. If you were to give ready-made lectures to these little Kumaris, they would be able to do it, would they not? Those living in hostels would also do this, would they not? The easy meaning of having a correct attitude of disinterest is, even while coming into connection with souls, while using facilities, or while receiving the fortune of being a chancellor in getting a chance for service, when coming into connection with everyone, you should remain loving to the same extent as you are detached. There should be this balance. But what happens instead? Sometimes the scale, which is the percentage of being detached, increases, and sometimes the scale of being loving increases. To be loving means to have the feeling of being an instrument and being humble. But what happens is that when you are loving, instead of this making you an instrument and humble, it makes you have the consciousness of mine. This is my task. This is my place. I have received all these facilities according to my fortune. I have accumulated these facilities and brought this place, this service, and service companions to this point with so much effort. They are mine. Is there no value to the effort I have made? Is there a difference between the feeling of being an instrument and in having the consciousness of mind, or are they the same? Is there a difference, or does it not matter? This consciousness of mind has increased in a royal form. Bab Dada hears a great deal of these royal language and royal thoughts of consciousness of mind in the heart-to-heart conversations. They come to sweet talk Bab Dada and the instrument souls with a lot of love. Baba, only you can help me in this. What do you think? Is this not my task? Is this not my responsibility? Is this not my right? Should I not receive this? You become very clever in giving knowledge to Baba. What does Bab Dada do? He continues to smile. You are instruments. Whatever you receive, however you receive, the first promise of everyone is, wherever you make me sit, whatever you feed us, whatever you make us do, we will only do that. Is this a promise? Or is it just in terms of eating and drinking? The disinterest in the consciousness of mind is unlimited disinterest. New types of the consciousness of mind are emerging even more. At present, Maya is casting a shadow of new types of the consciousness of mind. This is why the closeness of time is not being revealed. Whether they are Jnani or Agyani, both say that the situations of the world are very bad. How much longer can this world continue? How can it continue? However, the world is still continuing. The foundation of the closeness of time is the unlimited attitude of disinterest. Bab Dada checked and saw that instead of having the attitude of unlimited disinterest, the expansions of new types of small and big attachments is very large. This expansion has hidden the essence. So do you understand what you now have to do? These attachments seem very tasty. You have tasted them once or twice, so this taste pulls you. You're doing service, which is good. But also check whether you have the feeling of being an instrument or whether there is any feeling of attachment. Instead of Baba, Baba, you do not say mine, mine, do you? You want to accept it as yours, but instead it becomes mine. So what will you do now? You prefer mine, mine, do you not? There is pleasure in minds, is there not? Bab Dada has also told you earlier that you make a very big mistake while moving along. You make this mistake. You do not wish to make it, but you still make it. What is this mistake? For others, you become judge, whereas for yourself, you become your own lawyers. You should become your own judge, but instead you become the judge of someone. This one should not do this. This one should change. And so you become someone else's judge, do you not? And what do you say for yourself? This is absolutely right. Whatever I'm telling you is right. This one is like this, and this one is like this. What do lawyers do? They prove the truth to be false and the false to be the truth. And no one else knows to the extent as lawyers do how to give proof. You make the mistake of not becoming your own judge. To make remarks about others is very easy. The slogan to transform yourself is self-transformation brings world transformation. First in the self. Did you hear what Chad Baba saw? Bab Dada also continues to smile by seeing the ways of Maya. Maya is so clever. She even makes the Master Almighty Authority souls belong to her. So what do you want to do now? Create an atmosphere of the attitude of unlimited disinterest. Just like you create an atmosphere of service, you create programs. This attitude should not be intellectual, but it should be in your heart also. It is in everyone's intellect that it should be like this, that they should do this. However, there is now a need to create this wave in your heart. Do you understand? Did the Pandavas and Shaktis understand this clearly? Or is it that you have understood it now, but after you get up from here, you will think, now, how can this be possible? It is difficult to do this. It is easy to hear this. It is easy to speak of it, but difficult to do it. So you would now not say these ways are all right, would you? With love, you have reached here, and Bab Dada has also reached here. Look at how much power there is within love. You all call Baba, do you not? Love brings the avyakt into the vyakt. It also brings all of you to Madhuban. Out of love, all of you reached here comfortably, did you not? What brought you? Was it the trains that brought you or love that brought you? Where there is love, effort is not felt to be effort. Difficulties are not felt to be difficulties. Instead of these 3 square feet, even if you were to receive 2 square feet, what would you feel? It is even more elevated than the beds of Satyug. It does not feel difficult, does it? Are all of you living comfortably, or are you living here out of compulsion? What can we do? We have to stay here. It is not like this, is it? Mothers, speak. You're not sleeping out of compulsion, are you? On the path of bhakti, they make so much effort simply to be able to place their feet. At least you have 2 square feet for sleeping. Okay. You may not get 3 square feet. At least you have 2 square feet. Do all of you have 2 square feet or not? You have said, even if you give us a place at your feet, we would accept it. But instead of placing you at his feet, Bab Dada has made you into the queens of the floor. Even so, you are in the courtyard of Madhuban. No matter where you are sleeping, it is still in the courtyard of Madhuban. You never even dreamt that you would ever receive a right to come so close to Baba. So are all of you happy? Are you happy? Are you very happy or just happy? Children said, very happy. So if instead of 2 square feet, you were to receive 1 square feet, would you be happy? Acha. Will you think about it while sitting here? Some people sleep very well while sitting. If they go to bed, they cannot sleep. The moment they sit in yoga, they start to fall asleep. Are you ready to have constant, unbroken tapasya for 5 days? Are all of you ready? Acha. It is okay if you don't receive any food. Will you have to fast? Acha. You will not eat for 5 days. So now, don't prepare any food. Do you agree to this? Or do you think that this will actually not happen? In fact, whatever you do not have, even at your homes, you have those things here in Madhuban. However, you should remain ever ready. If you receive it, it is good. And if you do not receive it, it is very, very good. Because everyone receives the Dil Khush Toli at Amrit Vela. All of you eat this, do you not? And you receive the nourishment of happiness throughout the day. So you can do this, can you not? Acha, we shall try this out. Who are the majority in this group? So from Punjab, people were there. So we shall begin with Punjab. Acha, with Punjab souls. The map of Brahmins is alaukic. What do those from Punjab especially experience themselves to be? Whether you are from Haryana, from Punjab, Jammu Kashmir, or Himachal, all of you together while walking and moving along, do you experience yourselves to be the ancestor souls of the entire world? Everyone has emerged from you, have they not? So you souls are the greatest ancestors. With the ancestor form, while looking at all souls of the entire world with the feeling of mercy, be a bestower of blessings and continue to give them the blessings of good wishes and pure feelings. You're not ordinary. You are ancestors. Ancestors means merciful souls. So the world needs the feelings of mercy and good wishes. So who are you? The ancestors. You do not sometimes consider yourselves to be ordinary, do you? You are the ancestors of the world. Just as Brahma Baba is the great-great-grandfather, what are you Brahmins? You are the ancestors, are you not? So while walking and moving along, may you be the embodiment of the awareness of being an ancestors. Do you understand? What wonder has Punjab performed? Have you performed any wonders? Look, the environment in Punjab has changed due to your vibrations, has it not? Or has it not changed? It has changed, has it not? Who changed it? Did your vibrations not change it? Did it change or not change? Do you think that this is due to the influence of your atmosphere? All of you have been doing yoga, tapasya very well, have you not? So the power of tapasya does not go waste. You definitely receive its fruit. What do you do when any obstacle comes? You have constant, unbroken yoga, do you not? This makes a difference, does it not? So those from Punjab have received a good chance for tapasya, have they not? Acha. Now the atmosphere has changed and so you are doing service with a lot of pomp and splendor. Now create such enthusiasm for service in all four directions. Take benefit in whatever time you have. Many emerge from one and the many that emerge from one influence the atmosphere. The land becomes successful. Do you understand what Punjab has to do? Now do service with great force. You now have a chance to do service, but do it with the feeling of being an instrument. Do not have the consciousness of mind. Then with Agra souls, what is the speciality of Agra? You call Agra the land of the crown, Taj Mahal. So those from Agra constantly have to adopt the crown of the responsibility of having expansion while remaining free from obstacles. There may be service, but their speciality is that it is service which is free from obstacles. So together with being those who have the crown of responsibility of service, you constantly have the crown of light. That is, you have the crown of the responsibility of complete purity. So just as Agra is called the land of crowns, those from the land of crowns would be wearing those crowns, would they not? So constantly let this double crown be in the practical form, both the crowns of service and light. These crowns will easily attract all souls. So move forward in service, and while wearing the crown of light yourself, move forward in making others wear the crown of light. So Agra means those who have the double crown. Do you understand? Then with Hubli and Gulbarga, what is the speciality of Karnataka? Faithful devotion, bhavana. There is a lot of faithful devotion there. Just as the speciality of that land is faithful devotion, in the same way, all you Karnataka Nivasis, whichever place you come from, all of you are the natural embodiments of good wishes and pure feelings at every second and in every thought. The speciality of Karnataka Nivasis is that they have finished all ways and constantly remain the embodiment of good wishes and pure feelings. They have put a full stop to waste, and they constantly have a full stock of good wishes and pure feelings. So let there be the stop and also the stock. Let there be both. Do you know how to put a stop? And do you also know how to accumulate a stock of good wishes? To be a Karnataka Nivasi means to be clever in accumulating the stock and also to be clever in applying a full stop. Are you clever to this extent? Acha. You're also clever in sitting at the front in the same way. Constantly remain in front in every elevated dharna. In sitting, you prefer to be at the front. There are very few of you at the back. So constantly remain at the front in being the embodiment of dharna. Is this all right? You prefer to be at the front, do you not? Acha. Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Are you sitting together because of the language? What will those from Tamil Nadu do? What special intoxication will you have? The greatest spiritual intoxication is we belong to Baba and Baba belongs to us. Those who maintain this intoxication are constantly guaranteed to be easily victorious. So those from Tamil Nadu and from Kerala are the elevated souls who constantly have the spiritual intoxication and who constantly and easily attain victory. Do you understand who you are? Did those from Tamil Nadu understand? Or does it take time in receiving the translation? So speak. Who are you? Can you speak? Everyone spoke and gave a reply to Baba. Acha. So Baba is specially for those from Tamil. Is this right? It is good. When you say my Baba, then Baba specially belongs to you. Acha. Hyderabad and Secunderabad. This time, there are few from Maharashtra. Those from Andhra have more seats. In fact, the majority in every group has been from Andhra. Acha. Were those from Andhra allocated more seats? Do those in the front know Hindi? Do you understand it? Or have you just sat down? At least you have this faithful devotion. You do not know the language of words, but you know the language of faithful devotion. So what will those from Andhra do? Service is good in Andhra. Do you constantly experience yourself to be the souls who area few out? Do you constantly experience yourself to be the souls who are a few out of multi-millions and the few out of those few? Whose praise is the praise of a few out of multi-millions and the few out of those few? Who does that praise belong to? Does it belong to those from Andhra? No matter what type of souls you are loved by the Father. You constantly have this happiness. Whatever I am, however I am, I'm loved by the Father and have therefore received the future of being a soul who is one out of multi-millions. Acha. Then with Maharashtra, you experience intoxication just on mentioning the name Maharashtra, do you not? The name of Maharashtra is Maha, which means great. So too, what is the importance of the Brahmin souls of that land? The land is great and you have become Brahmins. And so the souls there are too great. And so what is the taste of great souls? What is the task? Sorry. What is the task of great souls? To make all souls great. So those from Maharashtra should constantly have the awareness of the word great in their thoughts, actions, words, and relationships. May you be the embodiment of awareness of the form of being great. Even your thoughts are not ordinary, but great. Not a single word should be ordinary, but great. So are you great to this extent? Say Haji. You are great and you are those who make others great. So constantly be the embodiment of the word great, not just in words, but in being the form. So who are you? Great. Indore? Acha? Are you the Kumaris of the hostel or the highest, holiest Kumaris? You are the highest and also the holiest. Do you understand the meaning of this? You are the highest on high and also the great pure souls, because the meaning of Kumari life is to be completely pure. You know that this is why Kumaris are worshipped. Even today, Bhagats worship Kumaris, whereas as soon as you become a mother from being a Kumari, you have to touch everyone's feet. What do you do if you come home as a daughter-in-law? You touch everyone's feet, whereas the feet of Kumaris are worshipped. So Kumari life means a completely pure life. You are such Kumaris, are you not? Do you sometimes develop anger? Do you ever come into force with one another or not? Anger is also impurity. Lust is not the only vice, but it also has many other companions. So greatly pure means that there is no trace, no name or trace of impurity. This is known as being the holiest Kumaris, the highest Kumaris. So are you like this? Do you sometimes allow Maya a little freedom? Because you love Maya, she comes to you. Does she not come? The yukti for this is to be a Kumari, that is to constantly maintain the godly student life. Study, study, and study. You must not go into anything else. Even if you do the physical service, that too is a subject of your study. To cook is also a study. The lesson of being a karma yogi is also a study. So the basis of success in the life of a Kumari is to maintain a student life. You do not have to go into anything else. The road is closed. Is it like this? Or do you sometimes go into the wrong alleyways? No. It is good that you have created your fortune. You can extend the line of your fortune to whatever extent you want. So do not draw a small line. Draw a long line. It is good. Bab Dada is also happy that you are saved in your Kumari life. You have become fortunate. Other Kumaris have also come. Acha. They have come from Ahmedabad also. So all those who have come for a bhatti or for training, raise your hand. To take training means to get on the train of service. So have you become engaged in service or are you still making a decision? Have you become engaged in service? It is good. You are altruistic servers from the beginning. All of you are servers, but only some are altruistic servers. In this line are all of you. In the line of being altruistic servers, or do you have to have a little selfish motive? No. Therefore, keep the foundation so strong. Do not mix selfish motives in your service. Otherwise, the success you receive will be mixed. So it is good. Bab Dada is happy that the Kumaris maintain courage and move forward in service. Congratulations for moving forward. Acha. Double foreigners. Nairobi, UK, Bangkok, Germany, Mauritius, Australia, Malaysia, and America. All are here. No one is missing. Double foreigners are clever. It is like sending ambassadors from each country. It is good. It has become international. It is an international Brahmin life. The speciality of double foreigners is that they constantly hold hands and have constant company. It is the foreigner's fashion to hold hands. In whose hands are you at present? In the Father's hands? You are those who constantly have your hand in Baba's hand and move forward. The hand is Srimad. And so let the hand of Srimad constantly be in your hand. Is this firm? Or do you sometimes get tired and so let go of it? Do you ever let go of the hand? What if Maya makes you let go of it? Do you not let go of it? Do you not let go of it for a short time? So you are those who constantly stay in the company and those who constantly stay in the hand of Srimad. Those whose companion is the Father. Those who have their hand in the Father's hand are constantly free from worries and are carefree emperors. So, are you the carefree emperors or the emperors who have worries? You are carefree because the hand and the company are both strong. Is this right? Those from Nairobi have the hand and the company very firmly, do you not? If the countless people of the world were to try to make you let go of the hand, would you let go of it? Those countless people are powerless, and you alone are master almighty authorities. Therefore, the double foreigners have the intoxication that they have the extra hand and company of Bab Dada. They have a lift. Acha, all of you received love and remembrances, did you not? Did all groups meet Baba? Then with teachers. Just as the teachers have the title of being teachers, so too the teachers especially should remain extra light in creating an atmosphere of the attitude of unlimited disinterest. Do not become loose in this, because the atmosphere of the instrument teachers reaches many others. So just as you become obedient in bringing about transformation, your teachers should now perform this wonder. All of you went, you made one lesson firm, that of being obedient, of saying Haji. But now make the second lesson of the attitude of unlimited disinterest firm, because you are the instruments. So the instrument's souls can be humble and carry out the task of renewal very easily. So now Bab Dada will also see this year is now ending. So you will now have to, you will now, so you will now show the sparkle of this newness in the new year. You did service, you opened centers, you brought about a lot of expansion. The IPs came, the VIPs came. This continues to happen easily. But the attitude of unlimited disinterest in service will bring many souls even closer. Service through words brings them into a connection, but the service through the atmosphere created by the attitude will bring them close. Do you understand? Bab Dada sees the chart, does he not? You are instruments for service. This elevated fortune is not a small thing. This too is a special inheritance. You have claimed a right to the fortune of this special inheritance. Do you understand? Are all of you content? Are those sitting at the back content, or do you feel you are at the back? Bab Dada first looks at the back and then he looks at the front. You may be sitting at the back, but you are close to the heart. Acha, to the most elevated, fortunate souls in all four directions, to the elevated souls who are constantly merged in the experiences of all attainments, to the close souls who intensify their powers of discrimination and decision making, to the instrument souls who are constantly powerful and make others powerful, to the souls who are worthy to receive blessings through having the balance of being loved and detached. Love, remembrances, and namaste from Bab Dada. From we children as well. Lots of love. Yaad pyar. Good morning and namaste to Bab Dada, Mat Pita. Om Shanti. Now for a few minutes, We'll try to sink in, absorb today's Murli. Om Shanti. If anybody wants to share anything.
Om Shanti, sister. I just missed one point. Why is Agra called as a land of double crown?
Sorry, why is?
Agra called as a land of double crown?
Agra.
Agra.
One is the crown of responsibility. Because in Agra there is Taj Mahal now.
Okay.
Which is like one of the wonder of the world. It's like a crown. So one is the crown of responsibility, and the other one is the crown of remaining light.
Remaining light in the sense?
Remaining light in everything you do, which is being easy. Like an angel. No worries, no tension, no burden, no thought. To consider yourself to be a soul and making Baba responsible for everything.
Okay.
Which is the crown of the remaining light.
Thank you.
Anybody else would like to share anything? Today's Mahavakya.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.
Victor, can you explain me the atmosphere of disinterest in heart, which brings souls to closer to how much this atmosphere of disinterest? I didn't understand.
We are all souls. I belong to Baba, and nothing belongs to me. Nobody and nothing. If I am interested in Baba alone, then I will have unlimited disinterest in everything. Disinterest simply means disconnected from everything and connected to Baba. This is Raj Yoga, right? And to connect to Baba, I should have this unlimited disinterest. Only then my mind and my intellect will not get pulled into that. And it will be connected to Baba. Unlimited disinterest, because there is nothing in this world now. It's old. It's not that good. So Baba says, forget it. This is unlimited disinterest, not interested, not attached, not connected now. Interest in only one Baba and nobody else. Okay?
Thank you, sister.
Thank you, Baba. So we'll meditate now then? Sure. We'll meditate for some time. Om Shanti. I, the soul, simply a point of light. I detach myself today from this body, bodily relations, and the physical world. And now traveling beyond this, I reach the subtle region, the land of angels, and I see Bab Dada in front of me. My father, my teacher, my everything. Detached from everybody and connected to only Baba now. My heart says, looking at Baba, that I belong to him and he belongs to me. Now this is what matters and nothing else. My heart is so much filled with love, with unlimited disinterest. Only Baba, Baba, and Baba. A multi-million fortunate soul I am, that my hand is in his hand and we are together. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. My today's homework, being merged in love of Baba, with my hand in his hand of Shrimat, only Baba, unlimited disinterest. Om Shanti.
Om Shanti Harshaben. Thank you. Have a wonderful day to everybody and see you all tomorrow morning at 5:30 a.m.